till now, I go here for this election when they come. I go like Peter Obi, if they stress him for here, he move. He stress him again, he move. Time no dey. Because Tinubu make sure say, anywhere they are going, let's put pepper. They won't stay one place.
MC Casino, funny by nature, live in Lagos.
The next guy we're bringing on stage is from the Northern Hemisphere, Rugged Bandits. Please put your hands together for Sarkin Dariya. Please celebrate him. Ifonio! Ifonio! Hey!
Thank you, DJ. Lagos, good morning. Good morning, Lagos. I say when I take risk, when I hear where I come from, like for safety, I'll greet you even if you don't like me, pretend at least let's go home in peace, you understand? Lagos, good morning. Your life is very important. I tie am for waist, once I lose am, boom, she now. You understand? Yeah, they say what will be mine will surely come back. Not be when they thief your phone for Oshodi. Waiting, don't go. No man is lazy. If you think say man lazy, wait, make in the toilet and you won't push the door. Wait, there's somebody here. Especially that one when the toilet sits be far from the door. As they just knock, there's somebody here now, and then the knock will not come good. You got the door. But there is some. In fact, I don't even go out. You understand? I like the way you people are doing your show in Lagos. This particular table, they didn't even chop or father rice for sure. That's because there's peace of mind. When I know they expect war. No. For our side, waiting for make you everything where we the chop, then inside rubber. Something where you feel wrong with. Because you feel wrong from that show, go another country. You understand? Everything when they do for Lagos enjoyment, we enter flight today, casino, she come book one flight, so we call Lagos beautiful. The way the pilot they announce flight, we know say we go land safe. You hear something like, this is the seatbelt announcement. Should there be a need for you to fasten your seatbelt? If the seatbelt sign comes up, the pilot expect that you fasten your seatbelt. All these things, we know you do one for that our side. Everybody get anger problem. Now that our side, you go enter plane, even pilot device, passenger device, that kind of thing where una the experience. You know, say now when you fly one Lagos, they go say off your phone, you know, off the airline go vest, they go come out your brace, put outside. No. For that our side, you know if you do that kind of thing. You understand? We know nothing concern pilot with this is safety sign. Listen to this, off your phone. If you like off, if you like no off, later now you go off by yourself without, you understand? As soon as they go for the flight, when I don't come up for ground, don't go like 21 minutes, you hear something like ding ding. Attention passenger, this is your pilot. Flying with this afternoon is Captain Bar when he shake. For those of you who is sitting by the right hand side of the window, you are going to notice another aeroplane. You want to do competition with us. Yo, Zaita, if you have no fasten your seatbelt for your own good, wear your seatbelt now. We don't fly one day, they go Sokoto. For no reason, we just hear announcement. Ding, ding. Passenger, good afternoon, please. There is an emergency. Is there anybody here that can go aeroplane for some more 10 minutes? Pilot is purging. You know, say, the way they respond to things for this place, everybody too much grammar. This particular movement where they happen, every movement, not just they happen. I like the political terrain this period. Nobody they agree for anybody. I love Gen Z. All the Gen Z, anything when they tell una since, I love una. Now they give energy for energy. This city boy movement, where then they do, they come. You know, say, when they come go, you say, wait. Okay, I just say na them talk, say talk about us. I go talk about Nana, they fear you.
he who is down fears no fall. I no get anything to lose. You don't understand. When they go share rice for Imo State that time, now everything can just they happen. People can't thief rice, thief this one go. I just they look there and say, this city boys, what then they do? So maybe they no commit us for not. We no good like that. So if you no thief only, if you thief them join, you understand? Then they do and they go now. You know the person why they sorry for pass? Chief priest, income. Yeah, for safety, so that after this show, if you go back alive, you understand? You see this Gen Z, very dangerous set of people. You see the most fearful place where you feel enter for this life. Now, comment section where Gen Z they respond to person. No enter there, or they no get conscience. So your mental health no mean anything to them. Oh. Chief priest, very sad situation happen for our place for Plateau State. They inquire people where we divest. Chief priest, Congo comment. Say the governor was coming to address the people. He came in an armored tank. We say, yes, that is very correct. He said, if you cannot rule, give way for another person to rule. This killing was so bad. How can you do this? I know they did this thing to tarnish the image of the president on his birthday. She kenang as in type the country scatter. Gen Z enter comment section. First of all, when Gen Z won't deal with you, they go create fake account for your name. The first one just can't type. That one na Gen Z will be Igbo. I don't know, say that day there is a botanical name for he goat. I just see person can't type and he spotted. As I did on that one, they try to understand what him be he. Now another person just can't write, say, when it is time to beat this guy, please leave this chief priest for me. That one no be problem. Another one can't comment. The way I go press this guy neck, now there in end, as in shall press this guy neck, another one reply, and you won't press with him, no get. But no worry, now 2027 they come. Everything now I go here for this election when they come. I could my like Peter Obi, if they stress him for here, he move. You stress him again, he move. Time no day. Because Tinubu make sure say, anywhere they are going, let's put pepper. They won't stay one place. The most political Maradona where they exist in all of this calculation where they do. Now we KO. That guy dangerous. So now only and divide two parties, put them for one, they rule two of them. You know, don't try we KO. This one where this organo they love. You know, say, na Lagos I dey. You follow them. Na joke. Oh. Yes, if they find me, I go say, na AI I be. You understand? Tinubu go say, zoom in where I want to know whether he was moving. You know one thing I like about Tinubu? You know, say 2027. Tinubu na Maradona. Now let Tinubu go tell us something 2027. Even we go, he go tell us say no talk the thing. We go say not true. You sure say him talk him. You know why? Tinubu came and said, by all means necessary, I will give you electricity. We say, okay. 2027, when he comes back for his manifesto, we now want to remind him, say, Your Excellency, in your words you said that if by all means necessary you don't give us electricity, when you come back for second term, we should not vote you. What's in the book? Do you have evidence? We'll come say, yes, you said this in the video. You say, watch the video again. No. We'll show him, you can say, this is where you lack wisdom. In the video, I was talking to the people in the presidential villa. And I told them that by all means necessary, they will have electricity in the villa. I did not say Nigeria. Is there electricity in the villa? Is there solar in the villa? Is solar not all means necessary? Renew hope. Good night.
MC Casino, funny by nature, live in Lagos.